Chapter 1 Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Changing one's Marga. Besides the reason already given, changing from one Marga to another can be the result of expulsion or banishment, abolokon, pabalihon. It is rare for a father to curse his son and disown him. But should it happen, then the son will depart and try to find someone in another Marga, for example, a childless man who is disposed to adopt him, mangain. This will be discussed later in chapter 5. It can also be done for purely practical reasons. It is common knowledge that some generations ago, one of the Marga in the Silindung Valley more than once transferred some of its families to another Marga in order to achieve a better balance in numerical strength in the matter of the contributions. Kuguan, given towards the abuse phase in which both Marga participated. They were also mindful of the tussle which always took place between both parties over the state buffalo, which each side decided to drop on the opposite side. This change from one Marga to another was final.